Every day you see an old cobbler sitting in the corner of the market, repairing worn-out sandals. But you have no idea that by mending these broken shoes, he is doing something that will change the lives of hundreds of children. Who is this man? And what is his real story? Let's find out. In the old market of the city, an elderly man sat every morning on a broken wooden stall. In front of him lay a few repaired, worn-out sandals. People called him the sandal maker. Some would get their sandals fixed, others would just pass by. His appearance was unremarkable. Worn-out clothes, a bent back, and eyes that held a strange, quiet sparkle. People thought he was just an ordinary cobbler. But a 10-year-old orphan boy named Amir noticed something strange. This old man worked from dawn till night, yet never seemed to spend his earnings on himself. One evening, Amir decided to follow him. After the market closed, the old man walked into a narrow alley and unlocked the door of an old, crumbling house. What Amir saw inside froze him in place. Around 40 children sat on the floor, all poor, orphaned, or abandoned. A blackboard stood at the front, along with a few worn-out books and a pot of hot tea. The old man smiled warmly and said, "Come on, children, let's begin today's lesson." Amir soon learned the truth. The sandal maker was actually retired Professor Naim, who had once taught at the university. After retirement, he used his pension to teach poor children. When the pension ran out, he began repairing sandals to pay for their books, food, and school fees. Naim told Amir, "Son, I want these children to achieve the dreams that poverty once stole from me. For them, I am both a teacher and a father." Years passed, and Professor Naim never missed a single class. Until one freezing winter day, he fell ill, but still came to teach. That day, his condition worsened, and he quietly left this world. It was only after his death that people discovered the truth. The man they thought was just a poor cobbler was, in fact, the greatest benefactor to dozens of children's futures. Today, that old crumbling house has been rebuilt into a beautiful school, Ustad Naim Academy, where hundreds of children now study. A plaque at the entrance reads, "A true hero is not the one who lives in wealth, but the one who lives for others." Maybe you've been waiting for the perfect time to do something big, to change your life, or to change someone else's life. But here's the truth. You don't need a fortune, a big title, or the perfect moment. You just need a heart that cares, and the courage to start. That old cobbler didn't wait for the world to notice him. He simply began. One shoe, one child, one day at a time. And in doing so, he changed hundreds of lives. What's stopping you? Your small act today could be the miracle someone has been praying for.